Hello, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Minalyn Conrado Embang. I'm 29 years old, married, and no child. I am high school graduate and took up 6-month TESDA caregiver. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, and I am the youngest. My working experience here in Hong Kong is domestic helper. There are 2 adults, 11 cats, and 11 dogs. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing clothes, gardening, car washing, and feeding the cats and dogs. I also comb their hair and cleaning the cat sand toilets and changing the towels and underpads where the dogs poop and urinate. Mom and Sir, if you choose me as a helper, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.